Hi everyone. I'm having a problem with my TV. I have a Toshiba 40-inch LCD TV with Gaza is the model. So the problem I'm having is the TV, when you turn it on, it will stay on for a few minutes and automatically it will shut off. And then a few seconds later it will come back on. So it just uh, repeats that particular cycle. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Just turn on the TV.
Patrizia Reggiani, the ex-wife of Maurizio Gucci, the former head of Gucci Fashion. Now, Patrizia was tried and convicted of orchestrating her husband's murder on the steps of his Italian office after... Ladies, get your hazmat suits and your movie tickets ready because this is going to...
There it is. It just shuts down. Should be coming back up soon.
Eichner.
There it is.
You guys, Billy Eichner is
So
coming
it
for
comes
Julia
back up
Roberts'
around
crown,
13 seconds.
And it's a Hollywood feud. I didn't
And
know I needed until
the
today.
cycle just repeats.
Billy is set to
So
star
if you're
in
also having this
the
problem,
first
let's see
ever
if
rom-com.
we can fix it. There it goes. It's down again. So alright, stay tuned. We will try to fix this problem. So let's continue with our analysis. So I did check the power. I am getting standby voltage from the power supply to the main logic board. So all those are good. Right now, I think, let me turn on the TV. There you go. You hear that little click. Light comes on. TV is gonna turn on. And so the next thing we want, you'll see that everything comes on okay. You get the image. You see that the black light is on. It's going to turn off momentarily. So it is getting power. Everything seems to be okay. So right now what we're trying to do is trying to narrow down the problem. Turn down the volume a little bit. So my plan of attack is we simply disconnect. See, it's off. And it's going to come on about 12 seconds or so. So when you work on this, be sure you practice safety. Okay, now it's back on. So if you have one of these gloves to prevent conductivity, you should wear it. So always practice safety. So my first plan is disconnect the T-con board to see if it's causing the TV to shut down. Give it a couple of seconds. See, it's back up. So that's not it. It's not the T-con board. Let's put this back in. Okay, the TV's off again. Now let's see. Now this here is the power to the backlight inverter. So let's remove this and see what happens. And you see, even though there's no backlight, which is what it's supposed to do when you disconnect this, but there's sound. So that means the power supply is good. It's not turning off. So I am almost 100% confident that the problem is the backlight inverter. So you see, the TV hasn't shut off. I'm still hearing sound. Now watch this. Once I put the power back on, it will come back on. See, the backlight is on. And watch, it's gonna go off. There it is. It's off again. So that's part of the troubleshooting. Um, you know, you don't have to do too much. Just disconnect it to see where the problem really lies. And so in my case, it's 100% is the backlight inverter. So yeah, I'm gonna try to remove these and then replace the backlight inverter. So I replaced it, the um, bad inverter, backlight inverter board, and this is the bad one over here. I already replaced the new one inside. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite long. It's supposed to generate some backlights for your TV, so you can at least see the screen or the menu. But in my case, I'm not seeing that at all. So can't really tell whether something is burnt. A lot of times it's the capacitor. This one here kind of looks fishy, but I'm not seeing the bulging at all. There's no burnt mark whatsoever, except for over here. It's kind of like a telltale sign that the problem is, yeah, it's in this area. So, but I don't have time to really remove all these pieces, and so the best thing is just replace the whole board and see what happens. So this is what it looks like after we replace the backlight inverter. Turn on the TV.
In the first round, only quarterback drafted in the first round, 2 touchdowns rushing on the day, but he also had 3 interceptions. And then Brees Hall, 2-yard touchdown run, Jets 24, Steelers 20, and they find their quarterback.
Looks like it works. This Toshiba is really awesome. The picture is really clear and crisp. So it's worth fixing it if you can. So if you like it, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll have more of these detailed repair for you guys.
You hit it on the head when you said this hasn't been
Thank you.
one of those off